Did you know that over 60% of people believe dark circles are permanent? Potatoes might just change that perception. Dark circles are a common concern for many, often linked to fatigue, stress, or genetics. While various treatments exist, the idea that potatoes can help reduce these shadows under our eyes has gained popularity. But is this natural remedy effective, or just another myth? Today, we'll explore the claims surrounding potatoes and their potential to brighten and rejuvenate the delicate skin beneath our eyes. There are numerous claims about the effectiveness of potatoes for treating dark circles. Many people swear by potato slices or juice applied to the under-eye area, citing their cooling properties and high nutrient content. Anecdotal evidence suggests that the vitamins in potatoes, particularly vitamin C and vitamin K, can help lighten pigmentation and reduce puffiness. For instance, one user shared how applying potato slices daily helped diminish the dark circles they had struggled with for years. Another person reported that using potato juice as a compress not only brightened their under-eye area, but also provided a refreshing sensation. However, while these stories are encouraging, it's important to consider scientific perspectives. Some studies indicate that potatoes contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that may benefit the skin. For example, vitamin C is known for its brightening properties, while potassium helps hydrate and soothe the skin. Despite these claims, there is still a lack of rigorous scientific research specifically focused on potatoes as a treatment for dark circles. While many people report positive results, individual experiences can vary widely. Research and expert opinions reveal mixed findings regarding the effectiveness of potatoes for dark circles. Dermatologists point out that while potatoes contain beneficial nutrients like vitamin C and niacin, which may help improve skin tone and texture, there is no concrete scientific evidence proving their efficacy in reducing dark circles specifically. Dr. Rinki Kapoor emphasizes that vitamin K in potatoes can reduce bruising and improve circulation around the eyes, potentially alleviating some darkness. However, she also notes that dark circles can be caused by various factors including genetics, lack of sleep, and dehydration, issues that potato application alone may not resolve. Experts suggest using potato slices or juice as a temporary remedy rather than a long-term solution. The cooling effect of chilled potato slices can help reduce puffiness and provide a soothing experience for tired eyes. Ultimately, while potatoes may offer some benefits due to their nutrient profile, they should not be seen as a miracle cure. In summary, using potatoes as a remedy for dark circles presents both potential benefits and limitations. The vitamins and antioxidants found in potatoes may help brighten the skin and reduce puffiness temporarily. However, they are not a guaranteed solution for everyone. If you decide to try this natural remedy, consider combining it with other methods, such as adequate hydration, proper sleep, and sun protection for more comprehensive care. Other natural alternatives like cucumber slices or tea bags may also provide similar soothing effects. While many individuals report positive results from using potatoes on their skin, it's essential to remember that skin care is highly personal. What works for one person may not work for another. So, do potatoes really help with dark circles? The answer isn't straightforward. While there's some anecdotal support and logical reasoning behind using potatoes due to their vitamins and cooling properties, scientific evidence remains limited. They can be a fun and natural addition to your skincare routine, but shouldn't replace professional treatments or lifestyle changes needed to address underlying causes of dark circles. If you enjoy experimenting with home remedies and find relief with potatoes, then by all means, give it a try. Just keep in mind that results can vary, and patience is key when it comes to skincare. Have you ever tried using potatoes for your dark circles? I'd love to hear your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on natural remedies. Don't forget to check out my other videos on skincare tips.